What's better than pink cupcakes?
Friendship, but cupcakes are pretty good.
Yeah, they really are. Our friend Unicorn in the Unicorn and Horse book story agrees.
Mm-hmm.
My favorite part of the story was when they said, Unicorn makes rainbows
And horse does not, and then he farts. Jinx.
Jinx.
Today we're going to show you how to bake pink cupcakes at home.
You're going to want your grown-ups to help make these delicious treats.
Here's what you'll need to make them at home. 1 cup of butter softened,
1 1/4 cup of sugar,
pink food coloring,
3 large eggs, room temperature,
1 teaspoon of vanilla extract,
2 1/2 cups of all-purpose flour,
1 1/2 teaspoons of baking powder,
1/4 teaspoon of baking soda,
1 cup of buttermilk, pink sprinkles,
frosting,
and candy. Step 1, wash your hands with soap and water. It's always a good idea to wash your hands with soap and water before you bake. Ready, set, go.
Step 2, cream the butter and sugar until light and fluffy.
This will take about 5 to 7 minutes. For little kids, have your grown-ups assist you with the hand mixer. Turn on 2 now. Step 3, add eggs and vanilla. I'll add the eggs and you add the vanilla. So go ahead and add the vanilla. There. You always want to add eggs one at a time. And remember, you always want to try not to get an eggshell in it. And if you do, try and remove it. I just hope it doesn't go everywhere again. Set aside and we'll work on the dry ingredients.
I'm gonna go wash my hands because they have egg on it.
And I'm going to do the exact same.
Hey, wait for me.
Step 4, mix the dry ingredients in a separate bowl. And here is your whisk, madame. I'll hold the bowl.
Step 5, mix all together and add the buttermilk.
Dang, it's getting very floury. And there we go. Okay. This is what's going to turn it into a batter.
Step 6, fill your muffin tins.
Unicorn ate pink cupcakes for every meal. I wonder how I'd feel.
I would feel like I was sick.
This girl would be about to hurl.
Yep.
You want to make sure that you either use butter on the pan or use the lining tins and put them inside so that way it doesn't stick. Also, you want to fill it about 2/3 of the way of your tin so that way it won't overflow because they will rise. Step 7, bake at 350 for 25 minutes. I'm going to go take it to the oven.
And I'll come with you.
I wonder what we could do to pass the time while our cupcakes.
We should watch Unicorn and Horse on Vooks.
That's an amazing idea.
Smells like pink cupcakes.
Let's go.
They smell so good. Okay, sit down.
And there. Step 8, allow your cupcakes to cool. While they're cooling, add the pink food coloring to your frosting and mix. Step 9, decorate. I think I'm going to add the frosting. Then I'm going to put the eyes on. Use this as a horn. This is the main. And then I'm going, well, first you got to add the sprinkles.
It's very rainbowy, isn't it?
Very. Here are the eyes. I'm going to try an eye. Okay, they're hard and they're good.
Ta-da, there's my unicorn.
There you have it. Our unicorns.
While we're eating these delicious cupcakes, you go check out Vooks.
If you don't have Vooks, then what are you waiting for? It's a kids-safe, ad-free library full of storybooks brought to life.
Ask your grown-up and start exploring more fun stories like these. Now I know why Unicorn likes cupcakes so much now.
See you next time. Bye.
Bye.